Hello dear students. Today I am going to describe about unordered list in HTML. What is unordered list? Suppose it is a web page. In this web page you are displaying a list of your main four subject: English, Math, Science and SST. But the list is having the bullets, not index like 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D, not like this. So, a list which is started and continuing with the bullets, not with the index value, is called the unordered list. So, a list which is started with bullets and which is not having any index and ordering on the of the index like 1, 2, 3, 4 is called an unordered list. An unordered list is created in HTML by the tag UL. So, UL is the main tag which creates the unordered list. UL tag is a container tag. UL tag is having the starting UL tag and ending UL tag. Between UL tag, we use li tag or list item tag to add item of the list. Li tag is also a container tag that is having starting and ending tag. So the full form of UL tag means unordered list and li means list item. UL tag is container tag. Within starting and ending UL tag, we will use li tag or list item tag to add items of the list. Now consider this list. It is an unordered list which is having four items. So we have started UL tag. After UL tag, we have started li tag, that means list item tag. What is our first item? English. We have mentioned English. After that, second item math. So with the help of starting and ending li tag, we have mentioned math. Like this, you can add as many items as you want. If your list is finished, then you can give the ending of li ul tag. So this list has been made by starting and ending ul tag, and the item of the list is mentioned by li tag within the ul tag. So like this, we can create the unordered list. Now you can see the unordered list is created with the bullets. How many types of bullets are used and how we can change the bullets, that I am showing you. In HTML, for ul tag there are three kinds of bullets. One is disk, second is circle, and third is square. How it looks like? If you are using disk, then it will be looking like this. The bullet will look like this, the complete filled of circle. If you are using only circle, then it will be an empty circle. If you are using square, then the bullet will look like this. So in unordered list, we can use three types of bullets: circle, disk, and square. Disk will be filled up disk, circle will be like this, and square will be like this. Now, how we can change and apply these bullets in UL list? Let's start. We have mentioned UL tag. UL tag has a specific attribute called type. Under the type, you can mention the bullet you want to select for the list. Suppose I am selecting circle. After that, I am mentioning the list item as I have mentioned here. As you know, li is a container tag, so li will be having starting and ending tag. So like this, we are mentioning the list items, and then suppose we have added 4 items. After that, we are closing the UL tag. So you can see we have created the UL tag with these items where I have used the bullet circle. So type is an attribute of UL tag that helps to mention which type of bullet you want to add. Here we have added circle, so the bullets will be changed and the bullets will be like this. If you are using disk or you want to use disk, then you can write here disk, but whatever bullet you want to write, you have to write within the double quotes. So if you have added disk within the type attribute, then it will be complete filled up disk like this. That means if you use disk here under type attribute, then the bullet will be changing. Next, if you use square here, then you will see the bullets will be changed for your list, and your unordered list will be looking like this. So with the help of type attribute of UL tag, we can change the bulleting types, the bullet types, and accordingly we can mention and we can add the certain bullet within the UL tag. So this is all about UL tag. I'm just recapping. Unordered list is a list which is having no indexing and ordering of indexing like 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD. Unordered list will have only bullets. Normally, by default, bullet is disk. If you do not mention any bullet, then by default you will see the disk bullet will come. This is the by default bullet. If you want to use bullet, then you have to use the attribute type. You write UL tag, then type equal to, then within the double quotes you can mention the bullets. There are 3 types of bullets: disk, circle, and square. If you use square, then same will be displayed in your list at the left hand side of the list. If you use disk, then this type of bullet will be displayed at the left of your list items. If you use circle, then this type of bullets will be displayed at the left of your list item. And UL tag is a container tag. It will be starting with starting UL tag and it will be ending with the end UL tag. Within the UL tag, we can create the list item with the help of LI tag. LI means list item tag. Within the starting and ending list item tag, we can mention each and every list item. So like this, we can create an unordered list. So this much for today. In the next class, I will show you how to create nested list. Thank you all the students.